Hello and welcome to Gapeys Garden. Today we are going to do a little bit of hot mail unboxing. It's been a long time since I've gotten some hot mail. This one is from Jeff Hobbs from the Pepper Lovers community, and we did a little seed trade and he decided to send me some pods to sample. Oh my goodness. It's a little bit more than I was expecting. So we were going to trade some jalapenos, and there are a few jalapenos in here, but he's also got some other peppers that look extremely hot. So he does have some labels on some of these here. These really wrinkly ones I'm not seeing a label on, so I have no idea what those are. But we've got these little orange pods here. This one is a Jequaro orange. Haven't heard of that one. But this is the peppers that I traded him for. Actually, no, this is the Zapotec jalapeno. I've grown that before. But let's see, I think this one. Yeah, so here's the mammoth jalapeno. So these are the seeds I was expecting. But he wanted me to try them before I grow them. So I'll probably be trying this a little bit later. Let's see, what else do we have? We've got some little green pods. These are interesting. This is a habanero mustard, so this must be one of his crosses that he developed himself, so that one should be a good one. I grew a lot of mustard varieties this year. If you haven't watched some of my pepper updates, see, we've got a little orange or peach colored pod here. This one is CGN 21500 Fidalgo Roxa, so that one I haven't heard of either. So lots of exciting things to try. And then we've got this one here. I don't know what this is, but this is a really pretty one. It's got a peach color with a lot of purple mixed in there. That's a really pretty one. Let's see, I think most of these other ones are not labeled. Oh, here's another one. Here's a habanero orange XL. So that one is probably a habanero cross that he also did. Let's see, I think that is all we have here, but I'm kind of curious what these really wrinkly ones are. I'm sure those are super, super spicy. But thank you to Jeff Hobbs for all of these awesome looking peppers. But I will definitely be growing this mammoth jalapeno next year in the garden, along with a few other ones. But here pretty soon I am going to be doing a jalapeno update, because I did grow 7 different varieties of jalapenos in the garden this year, and some did well, some did not. Some were really, really big, and some were really, really productive, and others weren't. So I'll give you a little look at all of those varieties that I grew and which ones I might grow again. But I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.